Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing cube and cube root topic. We are discussing division method to find the cube root of the given number and some problems. Okay, so we move ahead. So finding cube root through division method or long division method. Now there are 9 steps. I have given all the steps here. Okay, you may refer the steps and try to follow through example. I have already solved the example even on the PowerPoint presentation and this one like an on-screen presentation. So these are the steps given. To read the steps and follow the actual example, and you will come to know that this is very easy, but you need to read this when you are actually trying to solve the problem. Okay, so I am just moving ahead for the next steps. Okay, so these are the remaining steps. So you need to apply all these steps when you are actually solving the problem. So do note down this and try to solve the problem according to these steps. You need to understand each and every step and apply this when you in a problem solving process. Okay, and that will be very easy. Okay, so do read them and try to apply directly in the problem, and you will definitely get it. So we move ahead. So we are in the problem solving process. We are trying to solve some problems. Find the cube roots of the following numbers by a division method. Cube root of 91125. Now the cube root of 175616. Okay. Then this is very interesting. Cube root of 175618. Now read this. If the given number does not have a perfect cube root, then find the nearest number lesser than original number. You have to find the number lesser than this. If this is not a perfect cube root, if this doesn't have a cube root, then you have to find a nearest number lesser than the original number, which has a perfect cube root or is a cube number. You know what is cube number. And similar problem here, cube root of 175618. If given a number does not have a perfect cube root, then find the nearest number greater than original number. Both these are very important, lesser and greater. This is a very interesting problem and I have solved it, and you will get a perfect practice for this. Okay, so this should solve your problem. We have solved some such problems in square root topic. Now this is cube root, and method almost remains same. Okay, so number which has a perfect cube root or is a cube number. Okay, and another one, cube root of 46656 and cube root of 110592. Okay, this is very interesting, and you will really enjoy it. Okay, we are trying to find the cube root of number 91125 by division method. We have seen a division method in square root topic. Now it is cube root method. Some rules remain same. We write this 91125 and make a group of 3 from right to left and mark them by a bar on the group like this, and concentrate only on the first group in the 2 lines then, and we will see two such numbers where 91 lies between the cube of these numbers. Okay, so 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. So 91 lies between 4 cube and 5 cube. Okay, see, we have done similar thing in square root topic. This same thing, that's why I am going fast. Okay, 4 cube less than 91 less than 5 cube. So we are considering 4. So take 4 there, 4 and 4 there, and 64, that is cube of 4. Okay, then subtract it from 91, you get a subtracted number, and transfer the whole block of 125 is 27, and transfer the whole block of 125 there. Okay, then this 4 at 2 more 4s to it, so 3 4s together is at 12. Now we have to find out a number after that 12. How to find out? I am writing this 27 125 number we have got again, because we have to carry some experiment with it, exercise with it. We will be neglecting 25 in the beginning. Okay, and consider all the numbers which are before this. Now in this case there are only 3. See what I am doing with this number, 271. Okay, this should be divided by, we are trying to find which number will be after that 12. Okay, so we divide by 12. See from where I am getting 12. Okay, and again on the division side or denominator side we get divided by 4, from where I am getting 4. Yes, and try to solve it, and we get some number 5.6. Okay, this is a number which is between 5 and 6. So 5 is probably one number. We are not sure, we have to see. We will start with lower one. So we write 5, after that 12, and we have to check whether this 5 is correct number or not. Now see how I am checking it. Okay, this is a very important step. Not that just because this is coming less, some number from 0 to 9 will be there, and we have to always check whether this number is fit or not. See, I am doing it. I am taking this 12 into 5. Okay, 12. Now I am going slow. Into 5, from where 5? Yes, that 5. Into 4, from where I am taking 4. Just mug up this method as it is. You can find the cube root of any number. Okay, any 6 digits, even 10 digit. Okay, so 12 into 5 into 4, and carry out this multiplication is 240. Yes, and write 2 zeros extra because we have neglected 25, so we have to compensate for this. So you have to write 2 zeros from here. See, this is checking for whether 5 is a right unit or not. So add 5, 2 more 5s to it. Okay, see I am adding. Okay, so 125, 5 plus 5, and again this is not yet over. See what I am doing now. Take this 125 and this 125 into 5, these 2 digits which we have added. This is a method. Okay, we have to multiply into 5 into 5. Okay, and again write this. See what I am getting. All these lines are appearing in this because it is better to understand it properly. If when you will be carrying out your own practice, you need not write this line, you will know. Okay, so this is 3125. Now add this to this is upper number is 5 digit and this is 4 digit, to add it properly. Okay, and check what number you are getting. Okay, 5, then 2, then 1, then 7. Have you seen this is the same number? Okay, this is the same number. Okay, because of these lines I had to take it 27125 on the side. Generally when you are doing exam or in practice, you need not take it like that. Okay, so I am taking it and subtracting it. 27125, got it. Now carry out the subtraction. Okay, that is 0 0 0. So learn this method. If you have any difficulty, write to me in the comment section. Okay, I am Dr. Bharat Parab. This is a very nice method. Okay, now you see the comment as you get a reminder 0 0. That means given number 91125 is a cube number or has a perfect cube root. Okay, has a perfect cube root. Okay. See, I have written 5 number is the correct number, so after that 4 I have written 5 also there. Okay, so cube of 91125 is 45. And where is the answer? Just see, this is the answer. Okay, so don't forget to write this 5, and you will come across some such example where this may not be the correct number, so we will see what to do when you come across such type of number. Okay, study this method and try to understand. Okay, you can repeat this many times. I have solved many problems on this, and if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will definitely help you. Thank you. Find the cube root of 6-digit number. We have considered the number 125,616 by division method. This is very nice method to find the cube root of any number. By a little practice you can find the cube root of any number, even bigger number. Okay, that is up to you to practice, but in another 10 minutes you are going to learn how to find a cube root. To learn this, study this, have some practice, and that will be very easy. You have given these steps somewhere, but you try this. I am writing 175,616 like this, and make a group of 3 from right hand side. 616 is one group and 175 is another group. Okay, and then these two lines to carry out process, and consider only 175, the first group. Okay, and find the numbers whose cubes are very near to 175. Now you understand this. 5 cube is 125. Okay, and 6 cube is 216. So 175 lies between these two numbers. So to find such two numbers, two adjacent numbers. Okay, it's very easy to find out, as you will be dealing with only one digit number. That 5 cube is equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216. So see this, 5 cube is less than 175 is less than 6 cube. Write it like this, so you will not confuse in writing. Okay, and consider this 5. Write it 5 there, and 5 on the top of the line, and cube of 5 below 125. Remember this, cube of I 125, and subtract it. Okay, very interesting method. Subtract it, you will get 0 and 550, 50, that is 50. Okay, 0, and after this you transfer the whole block, that 616 down. Okay, 616. See, it's very interesting method. We have a similar method in square root also. Now this 5, add 2 more 5s to it, plus 5 and plus 5, and add it, 15 you get. Okay, now we have to find out the number after that 15. What number should be after that 15? So I am writing this 50616 on the side. In actual practice you should not write. I am just writing it because I will be showing you which and what to bring. Okay, so see, I am writing it like that just to see which number will be after that 15. I am writing it here. In actual example or actual problem or in exam, you need not write it like this. This is just to understand. Okay, you have to neglect, for the beginning you have to neglect the last two digits and consider only first digit. In this case there are only 3, sometimes it may be 4. Okay, so neglect it and consider this first 3 digit, right? 506 divided by 15. From where I am getting 15? Just see, this is 15. Okay, and in the denominator side, that is multiplied by uh, 15 like this, that is only denominator side. 5, from where I am getting 5, any number, okay, presently it is 5, okay, and carry out this division. 506, I am getting it, what is that, 5 into 5, 6.74. Okay, this number is between 6 and 7. Okay, this number is between 6 and 7, so we consider lower digit in the beginning. Does not mean this is a final answer. You have to see whether or check whether 6 is the correct answer. In the beginning I am writing it there, after that 15, and now I am checking for 6. You have to always do this. Okay, this is very nice method. If you learn this, if you have enough practice, you can find the cube root of any digit, any number, any higher digit number, maybe 10 digit. Okay, see, I am checking now. I am writing it at 15. See what I am writing, 15 into, see what, 6, this 6. Just because I will be showing you with that arrows, I have taken that number on the side. Actual practice you will not do this. Okay, and then that 5. See what, how I am checking, 15 into number which we have selected, and into 5. Carry out this. It is 15 6 are 30, 450, 30, yes, it is 450. You got the answer, or you came to know from where we got 15 6 and 5, or 450, and write 2 zeros after this because we have neglected this 16. Okay, so for this, compensate for these 2 zeros. Okay, see, you just learn as it is. Okay, the check is not yet over. You have to still check something. You write, oh, after that 156, write 6 plus 6, 2 6 there, and again see what I am doing. Take that 156, imagining that the number is correct. You write 156. You will come across an example where this number is not correct. Says that is the another example, 156 into, see, into what, into 6 and 6, same digit. See here. Okay, see, I am taking it 6 and 6. 6. Okay, go slowly, no problem. Okay, but only thing is everybody should understand. An average student should understand and carry out this multiplication. Okay, that is 5616. Okay, now add this. This is a 4 digit, another upper number is a 5 digit. Now add this. Okay, don't make mistake in addition. So that is an important step. Okay, I have extended this example in let me see, let me finish it first. Okay, 50616. See the number 50616. Okay, this is the same number. See, this is the same number. So your 6 is correct. Okay, your 6 is correct. So 50616, subtract it and you get 000. Now we can speed up. Okay, as you are getting 000 as a reminder, that means given number is a perfect cube number or has a cube root, perfect cube root. Okay, see, this is a comment. Okay, 0, given number is a perfect cube number, and we will find we are supposed to find the cube root of that number, and we are finding it out. Okay, like that, this method is very simple. If you have enough practice, then you can find the cube root of any number. Say cube of 175616 is equal to 56, and where is the answer? Just see. Okay, if you any problem, contact me or write me in the comment section. This is Dr. Bharat Parab, helping you in your studies, making your studies easy. Okay, go to this comment. It says that even if we are given a number which is not a perfect cube number or doesn't have cube root, still we can solve it with this method and find the number lesser or greater a nearest cube number or having cube root. We will see such examples ahead. Okay, thank you. So here is a problem. Find the cube root of this 6-digit number 175618, okay, by a division method. Division method, we are familiar with this. I have solved in many videos. You can refer that. Here there is a condition for this, and if this number 175618 is not a cube number, that means if this number does not have perfect cube root, then you have to find a number, nearest number, and lesser than this number. Okay, there are two conditions. Initially, nearest number lesser than this number, which is a perfect cube. So altogether three conditions. Okay, that means that number should have cube root, perfect cube root. So we proceed in a normal manner. We write this 175618 and then form a group of 3 from right to left. 618 is one group and 175 is another group. Then these two lines, and we consider only 175 in the beginning, the first group, and then find two such numbers whose cubes lie before this, that is lesser than this and greater than this. So 5 cube is 125 and 6 cube is 216. So we get the condition 5 cube lesser than 175 lesser than 6 cube. Okay, so after achieving this condition, we take the lesser number 5 and write it here, 5 and there 5 and 125, cube of 5. Okay, and subtract it, you get 5050 and transfer that whole block 618 down there. Okay, I have solved this in some other video. One may go and refer it. I solved it in very much detail. Now adding this 5 plus 5, why is to be done is already given. So it is 15. Now we have to find the number besides 15, and I am getting it. I have done this in very much detail in some other video. One may go and refer, or you may write to me in the comment section and I will again explain you. So we take 506. You know why I am taking 506? Explained in some other video. 506 divided by 15 divided by 5, that is 15 into 5 on the denominator side, and we are getting what we are getting, I think it is 6 point something, yes, 6.74, yes. So this number lies between 6 and 7. So we consider 6 besides this 15. So lower number 6, though we are getting 6 is not a final answer. So we have to check that 6 is correct or not. So I am checking for 6, and very much detailed information of this, how to check and why you should check and from where you get the numbers, is given in some other video. I shall send you link if you don't locate it. So I am writing 156 then quotes, then 15 into 6 into 5. Okay, you know this, you are familiar with this. You solve some examples and you will get it. It's a 450 0 0. You know why you are taking two more zeros, and now I am adding it to this 156 and 6 and 6. Now I am taking 156 into 6 into 6. You know why we are doing it. Okay, that is a part of the procedure. 156 into 6 into 6, and we will carry out this multiplication and see what answer we are getting. 5616. Okay, so add this. So we are getting 616 50616. Yes. So this number we have to subtract, as this is lesser than this, we have to subtract it from the number 50618. See, I am doing it. Okay, 50618 minus 50616. So you are getting 2, or rather plus 2 as a reminder. Okay, now your job is over. That means if you are getting some number, that means given number is definitely not a cube number, or it doesn't have any cube root. But if you subtract 2, as you are getting plus 2, you have to subtract it from the original number, and you will get a number which is lesser than the number given and a perfect cube number. Okay, so 175618 minus 2 is 175616, which is a cube number or has a cube root, perfect cube root. See, this is very interesting method, very interesting example. There should not be any confusion. Okay, if you feel any confusion or doubt, write to me in the comment section and I will attend it. Presently, let us see whether we have achieved all the conditions or not. Yes, we have a number that is 175616, which is a cube number or having perfect cube root, and the nearest number. So we have achieved. Okay, or lesser number. Okay, so this is how you have to find the number lesser than and nearest cube number. Okay, so we write the cube root of the new number 175616, which is 56. Okay, that is the answer over there. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you. Thank you. Read this problem carefully. Find the cube root of 175618, okay, by division method. Anytime when you read problems, you have to read very keenly and try to understand the meaning or some hidden data in it. Okay, see, it is given by division method, and if given number is not cube number, or if it does not have any perfect cube root, then this is the condition. Previously we have seen similar example. We will see the difference between these two. That time we had to find a number lesser than this number and nearest this number, which is a perfect cube number. Here we have to find the greater number. Okay, a number which is a perfect cube number and greater than this number. Okay, we know this number is not a cube number. Okay, so we will proceed in the similar manner. 175618 I am writing, then group of 3. 618 will be first group from right side, and 175, then 2 lines, and consider only 175 this first group, and locate the numbers whose cube roots are lesser and greater or nearer to this 175. So 5 cube is 125. We have seen this. I think this is third time we are coming across this type of example. And 6 cube is 216. So write 5 cube lesser than 175 lesser than 6 cube. Very easy. And we have to consider this 5. All procedure is same. little difference in the middle of the problem. Okay, so we add 5, then 5 there, and 125, the cube of 5. Okay, there subtract it, you get 50, and transfer the whole block of 618 down there near that 50. Okay, this is 50 and 618. Then add two fives, or 5 plus 5 and plus 5, and that will be 15 there. And again we have to check the number after that 15, and you know how we check it, we have seen this. Okay, we take 506, neglecting 18 in the beginning, and divided by, say I'm doing it, see, you have to consider only 506, then divided by 15, which we have recently got, and divided by 5, that means 15 into 5, and we get 6.74. These This number 6.74 is in between 7 and 6 and 7. This number is between 6 and 7. Okay, as we have to find out the number greater than this, we will consider 7 this time. Okay, we will consider 7, because 6 we have seen, and we have to check whether this 7 is correct number or not. So I am writing 7 there, 157, and see I am checking for this 7. You know how to check this, the 15 into 7 into 5, you know this. Have some practice, then you need not have any doubt. Now solve this. This is 5 2 5 and 0 0 for the neglected 18 there, or 2 digits at the end, and again add 7 plus 7 and that line, and again 157 into 7 into 7. Remember this. Okay, if you solve some problems, these are very easy calculations, and write this number. What is that? 157 into 7 into 7 is 7693. Now add this. Okay, you are bound to get a number greater than that 50618. Okay, and that is what we want. Okay, so add this, you are getting 396. Okay, so 60193. This is the number. So subtract it from 50618. Okay, now you are subtracting greater number, that means the answer will have a negative sign. That is very important. Okay, so I am taking it there, 60193. Okay, and this has a negative sign. That means when you carry out the subtraction, the answer will have negative sign. Okay, we have seen these such type of examples in square root topic also. When there is negative sign, you have to see this marked one. That means if you add this to the original number, you are going to get a number which is a perfect cube, and will have a perfect cube root. Okay, so this is a comment about this. So your negative sign, and you add it. Now I am adding it, 175618 plus 9575. Okay, so what you are getting is 3. So I am writing it directly, 185193 as a cube number, and greater than the given number 175618, that is nearest greater. Okay, which is having a perfect cube root. Okay, and what will be the cube root of that number? Yes, 57. Okay, read this comment. If you don't understand or you have any doubt, write to me in the comment section and I will attend it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Okay, thank you. This is that. Okay, so we are trying to find a cube root of the number 46656. Okay, that is a 5-digit number by division method. We have seen what is division method and we know how to solve problems on this topic like this, and go and refer. And this is also a similar discussion. So 46656, write it like this. Make a group of 3 from right hand side, then mark like bar, and 46, it doesn't have a third companion, third digit, so only two, group of only 2 digits, then this marks, and find the two such numbers whose cubes are below and after 46. You will understand what is the meaning of this. Is 3 cube is 27, which is lesser than 46, and 4 cube is 64, greater than 46. That was the meaning of that. So you have to try to find out 3 and 4 such numbers, so that you can write like this: 3 cube is less than 46, is less than 64. And such cases you have to consider the lower digit, in this case 3. So write those 3 there, 3 and 3 here, and cube of 3 below 46, 27. And now subtract. Addition, that is subtraction, is 9, I think, 19, 9, and then transfer the whole group of 3 down there. So 195,656. Okay, now 3 plus 3, you are familiar with this, and add it 9. Now we have to find the number after that, which digit will be after that 9. So I am writing this 19656 again. Just we have to carry out some experiments with it. So we have to neglect that last 2 digit, in this case 56. We have not considered this for the beginning, and we will consider only 3 digits before this. Yes, 196, and we will carry out the further process with this. So 196, see what I am doing. 196 divided by, we are trying to find the number after that 9. Okay, so this divided by 9. Okay, 9 into 3. Which 3? Just see, every time you have to follow the same process, same procedure. 3, what we are getting? So we are carrying out the division. 196 divided by 9 divided by 3, that is 7.26. Now this number 7.26 lies between 8 and 7 and 8. Okay, it lies between 7 and 8. Okay, so we will consider the lower digit 7 and check whether 7 is a correct digit or not. So we write 97, then checking for this, we write 2 more 7s below that 97, and we are checking for 7, whether always you have to check whether this 7 digit is correct or not. Okay, see then this 7 and this 7, and now we are checking. How to check? Just see, we are taking that 9, this is given, see, this is 9 into what? I am going slowly for everybody to understand, so that you don't get confused. Now into 7 into 3, from where I am taking, just see, these steps are very important. Try to have some practice. So 9 into 7 into 3. Okay, so you know from where you have taken 9, from where you have taken 7, from where you have taken 3. So carry out this multiplication. It is 189, and we are adding two zeros, as we have neglected the two digits, so we are compensating it by taking two more zeros. Okay, check is not yet over, so we are taking 97 this into 7 into 7, which to 7 which we have taken below 97. Okay, these two sevens, so we have to multiply that 97 by 7 into 7 and carry out the multiplication, so that we can add it to the previous number or previous product 18900. So this I am getting it as 4753. I'm adding it, so you get 23653, 23653, and 7 is not a correct number, as 23653, whatever number you get, it's greater than the original number we have, 19656. Okay, this is bigger number, so we have to try a number or digit before 7, that is 6. Okay, that is how we always try. So try 6. Okay, see, because that number is more, we are trying by 6. How to try? I am writing it again, so that you will not get confused in a real exam or in practice. You need not write it, you can just check for 7 and then continue from the top only. So I am checking for 6, again check, remains same. We will take that 9 into 6 into 3. See how I am taking it. So this will give you idea or some practice that how we find a cube root by division method. See, I am taking this 9 into 6. Okay, from here I am taking 6. We are checking for 6 now. So into 6 into 3, that 3 will always remain like that. I think some other problem, it is that unit was 4, so we are multiplying by 4, whatever unit we have. Okay, so 9 into 6 into 3, we will carry out this multiplication and see the number, it is 162, and add two more zeros just to compensate the last two digits which we have neglected. Okay, and again same thing, we have added 6 plus 6, so we will again take 96 into 6 into 6, very easy now. Okay, try to solve some problems, and I have covered almost all this. Okay, it is enough for you to carry out practice yourself. If you still face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will explain you again, even individually. 96 into 6 into 6, so carry it out. Okay, don't hesitate in asking, because knowledge is important, and of course knowledge, we will carry out this first. We will carry out the addition. You what is that? You are getting 6, then 5, then 6, then 1 9. Yes, that's the number. Okay, that's the same number, so we are carrying out. Knowledge is important, I was talking about, is because anywhere you go, there is no replacement for knowledge. Okay, so we will proceed further for the problem. So you are getting a reminder 000, that means see the comment or read the comment. Okay, as reminder is 00, what information it gives? It gives that the given number, above number, that 46656 is a cube number or has a perfect cube root. Okay, even if this number doesn't have any cube root, or I have tackled two problems on this, may also refer that. Okay, so this cube number, and what is the cube of 46656 is 36, and from where you get 36? See, it is here. Okay, so this is how we have solved it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab, helping you in your studies, and try to concentrate on your studies and especially knowledge. Okay, good luck. Thank you. So we are trying to tackle another example to find the cube root of a 6-digit number by division method. The number is 110592 and we are trying to find it by division method. We have solved many problems of finding cube root by division method. Here also we have to proceed the similar way as we have done in the previous problems. I'm writing 110592 and making a group of 3 digits from right and left. So 592 will be one group, 110 will be another group, and we will consider 110 the first group after these lines and check for two such numbers whose cube root lies below or lesser than 110 and greater than 110. So 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. Okay, remember what we are doing. This is a very easy method. If you solve such problems, there is no more difficult method. Now you see 4 cube is less than 110 is less than 5 cube. So we consider lower one. Take 4. Okay, write 4 there and 4 and 64. Okay, below that 110. Subtract it and subtraction result I think 6 and 4. Yes, so it is 46. And after this I am going deliberately, I am going slow for you to understand this. Okay, go very slowly, try to understand. Okay, now I am transferring the whole block of 592 here. The whole block you have to transfer. So new number is 46592 and 4 plus 4 plus 4, as you know the addition is 12, and now we have to find out this number after 12. How to find out? I am writing this number 46592 again, as we have to carry some experiments with this. Okay, what experiment? That we will neglect for some time, or for time being we will neglect the last two digit and consider only first digits, any number of digits. Okay, this 3 4 any, we will take this 465. Okay, we are trying to find out which number will be after that 12. Okay, 465 divided by 12. From where I am getting 12? See, this is this 12. Okay, learn this and try to solve some problems and it will be very easy. Divided by 12 into, in the denominator side, this 4. Okay, and carry out this division. 465 divided by 12 divided by 4 is 9 point something. Let us see. Yes, it is 9.69. So this number lies between 9 and 10. Okay, so we will consider 9. We'll consider for the time being that after that 12 we will have to use that 9 number and we have to check whether 9 number is correct or not. Okay, so we are checking for 9. See how I am dealing with this problem. So I am writing 129 there, plus 9 will be needing it after some time. Okay, and now how to check? See what I am doing. I am taking this 12. Okay, always do this 12 into 9. Which 9? See, from where I am taking 9. Okay, this new number 9. We are checking whether 9 is correct number or not. Okay, as 9 into what? into 4, that 4 on the top of it. See from here, this 4. Okay, so just study this and learn these steps and try to solve some problems, and you will find it very easy. Okay, so that in real exam you will not take much time in solving this. Okay, so carry out this. It is 432 and 00 we are adding from our side, as we have neglected that 92, so we have to compensate for that. Okay, you just cannot live like that. So for this you have to write extra two zeros. Okay, and another one, as we have see, 129. Okay, initially we have taken only 12 into 9, now 129. Okay, see, into 9 into 9. See, this plus 9 we have done. Yes, yes, and these we are taking. So 129 into 9 into 9. Always follow this by head as it is, or try some problems, then you will not face any problem. Okay, 9 into 9 and carry out this multiplication. How much it is? 10449. Now add. Both are 5 digits number. So add, and that will be 9 4 then 6 5 5 3 6 4 9, I think. 9 is 4, and then 6 3 and 5. Yes. Okay, now but this number is bigger than the number 46592 which we are dealing with. So 9 is not a correct number. Okay, this number we have got by 9 is more bigger than this, greater than this. So we will have to consider a lower number. Now we will check for 8. Okay, so the 9 will not be a number. Okay, you see, try it like that. You have to try. If 8 is not a number, then 7. There is no problem, as you are dealing with only single digits. Okay, so see, I am trying with 8. I am writing it again, as you cannot rub it. 112 or 128 plus 8 and plus 8. Always have a habit of writing this 8, as you will need it in the next addition. Okay, now same, 12 into 8 into 4, you know this. Okay, still I am giving you by marking it by arrow, so that you will not get confused. See, on the real problem, if you take this and solve, there should not be any problem. Now 12 into 8, always we have to check. Into 8 from where? Yes, 8 into 4. That 4, as long as that 4 is there, that will remain common. Common in all three. Yes, 4. Carry out this multiplication. So 12 into 8 into 4 is, let us see, 384, and again 2 zeros. As you know, we have to compensate for that 92 which we have not taken. So this 92. Okay, so we are adding 2 zeros. Now, as we have done 129 into 9, similarly 128 into 8 into 8. See this. Okay, 128 into 8 into 8. This, say I am marking in a circle. Yes, this is a circle. Okay, so that you understand what you are taking. This number will always repeat, 8 8 8 like that, or 9 9 9. So 8 into 8. Okay, so you are now, by this time you are familiar with this method. You have to add after multiplication. Okay, so it is 8192. Yes, 8192. Now add both this. Okay, so you get 295 9 5 8 8 16 46592. Okay, have you seen that is the same number? That is the same number 46592. We are looking for that. That means 8 is the perfectly correct answer. Okay, so I'm writing it again so that you will not get confused. I'm writing that 46592 again below that line. In actual exam you need not carry it like that. Okay, you need not carry that 9 step in between. You can directly go for 8, but only check by this. Okay, now minus 46592. Okay, and carry out the subtraction. Don't forget to write 8, that 48. Okay, because that's the answer. And now as you are getting 000 as a reminder, that means given number, the original number I'm talking about, 110592 is a cube number. What is cube number? Cube number means it has a perfect cube root, or it is a cube of some number. Okay, and in this process we have also find out which is that number. Okay, so you know the definition of cube number, and we have found it out by a division method. Okay, that is having a perfect cube. Okay, and therefore the cube root of 110592 is 48. Where is the answer? We will show where is the answer. Yes, that is the answer. Okay, so got it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your exam. If you have any doubt, please let me know through comment section and I will attend it and solve it. Okay, good luck and thank you. So I have also discussed this method in my PowerPoint presentation video. One may, if you find that easy, then one may refer that, try to learn whichever you find easy. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Thank you. Good luck.